Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing great. Today, we're going to look at one of our interesting topics in mathematics. So, without wasting any more time, let's begin. At the top of the screen, we have the expression x squared minus 4 divided by x minus 2 equals 18. In this problem, we've been asked to solve for x. Let's start by looking at the numerator, x squared minus 4. This is a difference of squares, which means we can rewrite it as two brackets, x minus 2 and x plus 2. For now, let's leave the denominator as it is. So the expression becomes x minus 2 times x plus 2, all divided by x minus 2. Now, notice that we have x minus 2 both at the top and at the bottom. That means we can cancel them out. After canceling, we're left with x plus 2 equals 18. Now, we subtract 2 from both sides. That gives us x equals 18 minus 2. And finally, x equals 16. So the solution to our equation is x equals 16.